Good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on this very important series called the Legal Booster Series Part 16. So friends, today we are back with another set of 10 important legal reasoning questions. These questions will help you in acing CLAT and other law entrance examination. So a very good evening to each and every one of you. A very good afternoon to all of you out there. So friends, in this particular series, we bring to you the most important legal reasoning questions that you must be aware of insofar as your preparation for CLAT and other law entrance examinations are concerned. So let's begin with today's session. A very good afternoon to all of you and welcome each and every one of you to BYJU'S Exam Prep. But before we start, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a mega workshop for Maharashtra CET. So those of you who are preparing for Maharashtra CET for the year 2022, know each and everything in detail about Maharashtra CET 5-year law program. When is it going to happen, this mega workshop? This mega workshop is going to be conducted on 5th December at 8 p.m. So join us on 5th of December at 8 p.m. sharp for this very important mega workshop on Maharashtra CET exam. Moving ahead, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course batch 6 for CLAT 2023 aspirants. So those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2023, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you this fantastic opportunity of joining this comprehensive course batch 6. In this course, you get build CLAT 2023 concepts from scratch for beginners, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, expert guidance by NLU alumni provided until the day of your exam, and 200 plus live classes based on the latest CLAT pattern along with interactive quizzes. Those of you who are preparing for CLAT 2023, join this comprehensive course, batch 6. BYJU'S Exam Prep is also delighted to announce that we bring to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, SLAT, BLIT, Jamia, LLB 2022. So those of you who are interested for Maharashtra CET, SLAT, BLIT and Jamia 2022 exams, get yourself enrolled for this very important course. Let's see what do you get in this course. Reach your dream law college with the best study plan, monthly e-magazine on legal reasoning and current affairs. All topics will be covered through live classes and quizzes, and there will be one-to-one mentorship guidance to help you ace this exam. And above all, we shall also be providing you with daily quizzes to boost your speed and accuracy. So friends, let's begin. Up on your screen will be a very important passage. Read the passage carefully. Do not be in a hurry. Read the passage very carefully, and after you are completed with your reading or after you are done with your reading, we shall answer certain questions relating to this particular passage. Okay, so let's begin. In this passage, we talk about wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement. Okay, moving on to the next slide. So are we done reading with this slide also? Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, let's move ahead with the next slide. Okay, let's move ahead with question number 1. Up on your screen is question number 1. Read the question very carefully and give me the correct answer. Now here is a child who happens to be a little naughty. The parents are being fed up of this child. So the parents take away his phone and restricts him in his naughty task. So he is not allowed to do anything with his phone. He sues his father or his parents. Now, has the parents committed wrongful restraint or wrongful confinement? That's a pretty easy question. The parents have neither confined nor has restrained. The parents have just taken the phone away from the child. Now, can that be construed as a wrongful restraint or wrongful confinement? No. So, the correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option D. Is that clear to each and every one of you? Most of you got it correct. Most of you got it correct. Most of you got it correct. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, the correct answer is option D. Moving on to question number 2. Okay, so some important sewage repair work is going on in the local vicinity, and due to which there is one of the highway is blocked, and thereby there is an increase in the communication time of the residents by 30 minutes. This is the real issue. Now, if this is done by the corporation has done it. Now, if you have to suggest, what will you see? The correct answer is option C. To not file a complaint or wrongful restraint as the offence is not made out, it is done by a statutory authority. Is that clear? So the correct answer is option C. Question number 3. Which of the following legal statement is defined correctly? And the correct answer is, tell me guys fast. It is that the offense of wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement are almost similar, except for the fact that the degree of restraint is higher in the later offense. So the correct answer is again option C. Option C is again the right answer. So guys, if you are enjoying today's session, if you are understanding how to solve these questions, do like the session, do share this session with your friends and others who are also preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination. So the correct answer is option C. Moving on to question number 4. Now, he is therefore restrained from moving in any direction except 2 feet from the duct where it was located at a height of 10 feet from the bathroom wall. This is what we understand as wrongful confinement. 360 degrees, you are locked in. You are locked in for 360 degrees. That's called wrongful confinement. Okay. Question number 5. So, wrongful confinement. What is the sentence of wrongful confinement? Jail term which may extend up to 1 year, which a fine which may extend up to 1,000 rupees or both. So the correct answer, if you could not solve question number 4, you cannot solve question number 5. So these questions are interconnected to each other. You have to get the right answer for question number 4 so as to get the right answer for question number 5. Keep that in your mind. Okay. The next set of questions are up there on your screen. The next set of questions, read the question, read the passage very carefully. So this passage deals with contingent contract or conditional contract, right? Okay, let's move ahead to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done reading with this slide also? Okay, are we done? Moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done reading with this slide also? Then move ahead to the next one. Okay, moving on. Question number 6 is up there on your screen. Okay, now is it a conditional contract? The answer is no. None of the above is the right answer. None of the above. All the options are incorrect. A, B, C is all incorrect. A, B, C is all incorrect, guys. Okay? Okay. Moving on to question number 7. Question number 7. Now, whenever you are entering into a conditional contract, what is a conditional contract? A conditional contract is a contract which is based on the happening or not happening of a future event. Now, can the sun rise from the west? Impossible. It is not possible for the sun to rise from the west. Only if there are possibility of an event happening, only then it can be a conditional contract. So the correct answer is, it is a void agreement. It is a void agreement. A contract cannot be void. Option D is a very wrong answer. A contract cannot be void. So it's an agreement which is void. A contract cannot be void. Keep that in your mind. You are talking two different things. A contract is always valid. A contract cannot be void. Okay? Is that clear? So option C is the right answer. Question number 8 is up there on your screen. Okay, moving on. Which of the following is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. Sanjeev cannot sue Munish for specific performance as it was a contingent contract and beyond the control of the parties. It was the development authority, the Himachal Pradesh Development Authority, which said that no, you cannot sell it. So Sanjeev cannot sue Munish for specific performance. So the correct answer is option A. Moving on to question number 9. So are you guys understanding how to solve these questions? The most important thing is that you should know how to solve these questions. That's the most important thing, guys. Yes, what is the correct answer to this question? Tell me fast. This is what we understand as a contingent contract. Here is a person who says that claims that in the year 2021 it will not snow in the month of December. The other person says he is going to pay 1,000 rupees if it did not snow in the month of December. So this is what is called as a contingent contract, a conditional contract, which can happen, cannot happen. There are full possibility that it may snow, it might not snow, right? So the correct answer is option A. Moving on to question number 10. Now A makes a contract to B that he is going to pay some amount to B if B marries C. Now C is already dead. So the agreement itself is void. It's a void agreement. Guys, it is a void agreement. Because C, how can you marry a dead person? You cannot, right? Okay. So the correct answer is option B. Very good. Very good. Those of you got it right. So guys, are you understanding how to solve these questions? I hope you are in a position now to solve these passage-based questions. So before we end, do like, do share, and do subscribe to this beautiful YouTube channel dedicated for all you students. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive preparation course, Batch 4 in Bilingual for CLAT 2022 aspirants. In this course, you get to learn in the language you understand, that is in both Hindi and English. There will be weekly performance tests. All topics will be covered through live classes and quizzes. And above all, there will be faculty counseling and guidance session to help you ace this examination. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a comprehensive preparation course, Batch 4 for CLAT 2022 aspirants. What do you get in this course? Build CLAT 2022 concepts from scratch for beginners, expert guidance for NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular interval, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. So with this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care.